Your presentation is all created in PowerPoint Online, but how do you actually present it? Let me show you in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So here I've got my presentation. I know it's not amazing, but it's something, and I want to present it just like I would in any other program. Couple of quick things to mention first. Actually, it's one main thing. So first off, if you're used to PowerPoint, you're used to pressing the buttons here at the bottom. We've still got slideshow, which will let you see the slides. Now, I personally tend to use this more for checking how my slides look rather than actually presenting, but this is also the only option that will start from the slide that you're on rather than start from the beginning. So that's a key point. Slideshow at the bottom right hand side actually displays the slide that you're on and then moves you forward, whereas the other options, which I'm about to show you, will actually start at the beginning. Talking of the other options, we've been used to the comments and then we've got our catch up button, and what we've now got is the present. Now obviously if you've got more space on your screen, you'll actually see the word present. My screen's not showing me that at the moment, and I can click just on the button, on the image, the icon, to actually start presenting. This actually will then hopefully show me everything from the first slide. As I said, that's a key thing, and I can now go through my slides and exit the slideshow. So I can do that quite easily. If I click on the drop down arrow next to it, I've got play from the beginning, so that's the first option. I've got rehearse with coach, which is also quite a nice option, and I've also got present live. So if you're connected to the internet and don't have something like Zoom or whatever, you can actually use the present live option, which will give you a QR code or a link that you can share and invite others to join you. So that's actually quite a nice, useful facility. Just really wanted to point those out as different options that you've got available to us. If you are using something like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, then you are just going to use the standard option to present either from the first slide or play from the beginning generally, and then share your screen so everybody else on the meeting will actually be able to see what you're sharing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and remember to click that notification bell to be told as new videos become available. And I will see you next time. Bye.